How to delete video clip from a motion photo in the picture gallery on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, tap on the gallery app. Next, tap on the pictures tab or albums tab. In here, open up the motion photo. And you can see with this particular picture, I have a small video clip. And it's called motion photo. So to delete the video clip, tap on the more button at the top. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on delete video clip. Then tap on delete. And that's it. So that is how you can remove a video clip from the motion photo, and that image or that picture will now be converted to a standard picture. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.